Oh hey, let's talk about how you manage your gear. Packing and hauling your gear takes too much time, space, and energy. You'd rather have more freedom to play outside. Or out on the road. Whatever floats your boat. But you can't, because you're still getting ready. If only you can magically combine all the best parts of a gear case, a utility tote, a backpack, and a duffel bag into one glorious vessel. But that's not possible. Except it is. Meet RUX, the only all-in-one, weatherproof and durable, ready when you need it, shape-shifting solution to stow, move, carry, or use your most valuable gear.